So this time we got a bundle of Bosch tools for $400 off Marketplace. 18 volt cordless. Looking forward to giving these a really good clean up. So I've given these Bosch tools a really good clean up and they've come up absolutely mint. A part of me wants to keep them all, but I know that I don't need them, so I'm gonna sell them. But I'm really happy with how they've cleaned up. I'm really hoping this doesn't ruin it. Maybe get some tape. Not that it's gonna do a hell of a lot, but something. Going to tape it around the drill. Just gonna tape it around the black part to protect it. The first time didn't work at all. We're gonna use my brush grinder to get this nice and shiny. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to look nice and clean. That looks heaps better to me. I'm just gonna take the tape off. Hopefully it protected the black on the drill. So that much better. It is worn, but you know what? I tried it out before and it went amazing. So the Bosch tools, they're heavy duty. They're professional tools. They'll last forever. So I tried and tested them all and they all work fantastic. Someone's gonna get themselves a real bargain.